When you're looking at a new Haas mill or a turning center, you owe it to yourself and your operations efficiency to take a look at our many automation options. Automating the routine tasks of loading and unloading your machine reduces human error, speeds production, and frees your operator to accomplish more meaningful work. And when combined with in-process probing, your automation system lets you run lights out, providing a reasonably priced way to boost your profits. Here's a quick overview of the automation solutions provided by Haas. Haas makes 4 distinct automation systems: pallet pools, automatic parts loaders, robots, and the Haas Bar Feeder. Each system is completely compatible with the Haas control, with no integration needed. Whether it's the 3-station system for a VF2YT or a 20-station unit for the UMC 500SS, the pallet pool is a cost-effective way to easily increase your productivity. Once your pallets are loaded, the system runs on its own, moving them in and out of the mill until all of the jobs are completed. As the pallets are completed, your operator can offload and replenish them at the loading station even while the machine is running, so that the spindle never stops turning. The pallet pool is fully integrated with the Haas control right out of the box, which means you can program your pallets using our intuitive VPS templates and pallet schedule table. Fixture the parts you need, schedule it to run, and move on to the next pallet. The automatic parts loading system can be ordered with select small vertical mills, your UMC 500 or your ST series lathe. Like the pallet pool, the APL interfaces directly with the Haas control to load and unload your machine. But the APL moves individual parts instead of pallets, bringing you a wealth of part management possibilities. The APL uses the dual gripper to remove the finished part from your work holding and then install a new one without leaving the machine, reducing your cycle time. While that new part is under the spindle, the APL places the finished part on a table and fetches another new one. As soon as that part is finished, it's replaced with a fresh one. When it's convenient for your operator, they can offload your finished parts from the table and refresh it with blanks so that your spindle has no downtime. The Haas Robots packages come in 3 flavors: 7 kg, 25 kg, and 50 kg. Like the automatic parts loader, the robot deals with parts rather than pallets. The versatile dexterity of that robot arm, however, opens a new door to part management flexibility. Now finished parts can be placed on tables, in cabinets, even dropped into a custom-built hopper. You can flip over a part in your turning center to perform a second operation using the same spindle by adding a part flipping station. If you can imagine it, the robots can do it, all without taking up any more space than an operator, his tool cart, and a standard work table. Best of all, the robots come fully integrated to the Haas control and are fully supported by our easy-to-use VPS templates. Finally, the Haas Bar Feeder quickly and affordably automates your ST series turning production. The spindle keeps turning all day long without having to pause while you add new stock. The bar feeder automatically pulls a new bar from its pre-filled hopper when it's needed. The bars don't even have to be the same length. Safe, economical, and easy to use, the bar feeder can lead you straight to lights out production. So these are the automation solutions from Haas. Unique, cost-effective, easy-to-use ways to dramatically improve the profitability of your operation.